This is Indrani and welcome back to Amigos Cook Home. We all know that Goa is blessed with international culinary culture and recipes. Vindaloo is one such example. The Portuguese brought this dish in India, which is originally known as vinadosh, meaning wine and garlic. The Portuguese soldiers while traveling used to put pork pieces in barrels and marinate it with wine and garlic for days before cooking. This used to save both fuel and time. But with time and preference of the people in the southern part of the country, the taste evolved, the entire recipe changed, and slowly it turned out to be a tangy and fiery spicy flavor.
Traditional in Goa, Vindaloo is still served with pork, but with time, chicken has become a key ingredient as well. So let's start making chicken Vindaloo. At first, I've taken here half cup of vinegar. In it, soak around 6 to 7 Kashmiri red chilies and around 4 to 5 regular red chilies depending on your preference, and soak this for minimum half an hour. In the meantime, keep in hand these following ingredients: 3 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 15 cloves of garlic, some ginger, 1½ teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1½ teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 cinnamon sticks, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. After half an hour, make a fine paste out of the dry ingredients and the soaked red chilies, and remember to use the vinegar instead of water to make this paste. Here I have taken 700 grams of chicken and have made cuts on it so that the spice mix can penetrate well, and add the special masala paste to it. Massage and coat the masala paste very well with the chicken pieces. Once done, cover the chicken and marinate it for at least 3 hours to overnight. Now heat some oil in a kadhai. Retain the marination and carefully add the chicken pieces. Now on medium to high flame, fry the chicken for few minutes. To make this process quick, you can also cover and cook for 5 minutes. After some time, now carefully flip the chicken pieces. Due to frying, you will see some pieces will get that slightly brown burnt color. Now putting the gas on medium flame, add the remaining marination. Mix the marination very well with the chicken pieces. Check with the seasoning and add some salt if required. Now add sufficient water to cook the chicken. The consistency of chicken Vindaloo should not be a very thick one. It is moreover a curry based dish, therefore you can add sufficient amount of water. Putting the gas on high flame, cover and cook until the chicken is rightly done. Traditional Goan style chicken Vindaloo is ready to be served. If you are in a mood to have something tangy and spicy, then this is the right dish for the day. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.